The overclockable doorbell is set to rock the doorbell industry within the coming years. The device features a USB port for easy sound file transfers, allowing for near limitless customization. You can turn the volume of your ringer up to 148 decibels depending on your sound file. The volume may not be decreased. To ensure the integrity of your device and the safety of our consumers, we kindly ask that you do not disassemble your doorbell. This request shall be enforced. Availability estimated Q3 2027.